How to use the C2-NRED Package Finder. Are you wondering if your Node-RED program package is compatible with the Click PLUS PLC C2-NRED module? How do you find the correct C2-NRED package? This is the most common frustration with the C2-NRED Node-RED module for the Click PLC. This Node-RED module currently has version 3.0.2 with Node.js 14.18.1. You can spend hours trying to find a compatible Node-RED package for your industrial control system. Enter the C2-NRED Package Compatibility Finder on GitHub. This was just released by Automation Direct. We will explore the details of using the C2-NRED Package Compatibility Finder. We will be installing the Node-RED Modbus onto our Click PLUS C2-NRED module. Let's take the easy way to find, confirm, download, and install the Node-RED package on our Click PLUS PLC. Let's get started. Detailed information contained in this video can be found at accautomation.ca. A link has been put in the description below. If you have not watched the other videos yet, there will be links in the description below that will start you at video 1. There will be links to the rest of the videos in the series as well. Finding Node-RED packages. Open the Click programming software from the past post. Open up our previous flow. This can be done by selecting the PLC menu option on the Click programming software. Select Ethernet and then choose Connect. Our flow will be displayed. Click the pancake icon beside the Deploy button to open the Manage Palette. Select the Manage Palette option or use a shortcut combination of Alt plus Shift P. The Manage Palette window will be displayed. This will display all the existing nodes installed on our C2-NRED module. Select the Install tab of this window. We can now search for Node-RED packages that we would like to install on our C2-NRED module. Currently there are 5,352 available packages for us to choose from, not to mention the different version numbers. Search for Modbus package. All packages containing the word Modbus will be displayed. We will be installing the Node-RED Contrib Modbus package. Highlight this name with your mouse. Right-click and select Copy. We can now proceed to verify the compatibility of this package with our C2-NRED module. Click PLC C2-NRED Package Compatibility Finder. The Click PLC C2-NRED Package Compatibility Finder is a utility that lets you enter the name of a Node-RED third-party module. It will verify the best version for the C2-NRED slot module. The C2-NRED Package Compatibility Finder can be found on GitHub under the Automation Direct repository. Select the Click PLC repository. Select the Node-RED option and then select the C2-NRED module version check to call up this package. The C2-NRED Compatibility Finder link can be found in the README file. Select this link. A copy of this link can be found below. Please enter the name of the package that we copied during our search. Select the Find Compatible Version button. The results come back with the following. The best compatible version of Node-RED Contrib Modbus is version 5.31.0, which works with Node.js 14.18.1 and Node-RED 3.0.2. This program saves you time by eliminating the need to wonder if a package is compatible with the C2-NRED module. Downloading the Node-RED package. The Click PLC Package Compatibility Finder offers a convenient way to not only find the correct package, but also provides a link to download it. Select the Download the Package v5.31.0 link. The downloaded file URL, including the name and version, can be graded using the following information. The bold lettering is the module's name and the bold italic is the version number. The URL will download the source file for that module to your default downloads folder. We discussed this in our post Faster Nodes Install with C2-NRED Node-RED. However, using this utility is the fastest method of finding and downloading Node-RED packages for your C2-NRED module. If you're enjoying this video, please hit the like button below. Keeping up with all the latest automation innovations can be difficult, so hit the subscribe button. Remember to click the bell beside your subscription to actually receive those notifications. Installing the Node-RED package. We can now install this node on our C2-NRED module. On the Install tab in the Manage palette, select the Upload Module TGZ file icon. Please select the file that we just downloaded above. Select the Upload button to install the nodes onto our C2-NRED module. The upload and installation of this node will take a few minutes. When the node is added, we will receive a successful installation message. We can now close the Manage palette. Looking at the left side of our browser, we can see the Modbus nodes that have been added. Try the Compatibility Finder tool and share your experience in the comments below. To learn how the C2-NRED module communicates with the Click PLC inputs and outputs, click here. Click here to learn more about the Click PLUS PLC.